Welcome back to Closing Bell on the 21st of December, Monday, sell-off, future sell-off due to the UK strain 2 COVID-19 virus. We don't even really have a name for it, the SARS-2 or whatever they call it. But that mutation of 70% contagiousness are really scaring people off with the borders being closed, and it's causing the market to fall. So as you can see on the chart on Nasdaq and Dow Jones, it started high, it fell down really rapidly, and then over the course of the day, it came back up. So it's got a picture of a whale. Can you see that picture of a whale? Beautiful, isn't it? So it came up towards the end, it was almost coming back up again. So in my portfolio, many people's portfolio, it looks pretty defensive. For me, I got really saved by 4 key stocks here. It was Fiverr, up as high, all-time high today. Palantir was down 4% in the futures and then back up 9%. Short 13%. Airbnb saved me as well. They were down and then 4% again, and they were up about like 8% or something. Then Uber down 2%, up 2%. So I bought some Uber on the dip, and then I gained about 4% back on my eToro account. So pretty good, pretty happy. But today what I really want to speak about is Tesla. Okay, I want to speak about Tesla pricing, and then eventually I want to move on to Tesla versus Apple, because Apple has just announced the self-driving vehicle. They're jumping into the bandwagon. 2024 is the target to release their first car for sale, potentially not too far away. So let's speak about Tesla first. So Tesla's induction day today was a bit of an anti-climax. They were down 6%. They were up and down, eventually it came down 6%. A couple of reasons along the way. So the induction of 130 million shares to be bought today didn't really happen. The script panned out where half the shares of 60 million shares were actually bought back on Friday towards the last 30 minutes. They were allowed to buy in the last 30 minutes. This way when you saw the dip where it came, so it jumped back up. That was when index investors started buying with the robot computer, buying at massive scale. And then after hours, you can see the drop about 3-4%. There was a lot of movements up and down. So those index investors were buying off fund managers, selling after hours as well. So there was a counter about 40 million shares, so 60-40, 30 million shares left to buy today. That's why the volume didn't really see excessive. And then you see slowly creeping up. But then they came on a sell-off, down to 6% because of that news with Apple. Apple saying that we're coming to the game. We've got brand new battery that we're bringing in, and that is causing a stir in the market. So is this legitimate? Tesla investors, should we worry because the biggest company in the world is coming head-on-head with Tesla? All I can say, just quickly to cut it off, no. Okay, Apple is not a threat as it all stands now, and let me place that to you. So Apple is coming up with the self-driving vehicle, and do you know that this Team Titan project has been up since 2014? They killed in 2016, and in 2007 they came back again, resurrecting this project, and I was there investing like mad. I was so excited about Apple's self-driving vehicle. They employed 5 Tesla employees. They poached it off Elon Musk, creating this secret lab project, and then they canned it in 2018, and then you don't hear anything until today. But one thing that I want to say, one engineering fact that I want to tell you that do not believe the hype until you see the real physical product, is because Tesla has got 10 billion miles worth of data, data from cars, and they can use this data to build the self-driving vehicles. It's all about data. The second place, as close to Tesla with data for cars that's driving on the road just now, in California, in the Silicon Valley, is Google. Google has got only 100 million miles compared to Tesla's 10 billion miles. So it's a huge game. If anyone were to compete with Tesla, it's going to be Google. Not Apple. Apple's got what? They only got this car that they built, this prototype car with loads of cameras, with LiDAR sensor on the top. And they've only got a couple of cars running this PAL route called Palo Alto to Infinite Loop. They just basically drive from point A to point B. And I'm sure people working in Silicon Valley have seen this really odd looking car driving around. Don't count Apple out. If anybody's got money to throw at this, with all the engineers in the world, it will be Apple. If anybody's got money to burn and still not affect the business, it will be Apple. Anybody got cash flow to deal with anything, it will be Apple. So we don't know what they're really developing until we see real physical details, real engineering details about the battery. Us investors, we all learn so much from Tesla's battery day year on year, and all the information they say, share with us. But we need to see what Apple is doing as well. Okay? But the overall winner from all this announcement will be semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor, Nvidia, AMD. Those three are going to be winners out of all this lot. Tesla will be producing a self-driving vehicle. What are you going to put in? NVIDIA or AMD chip produced by Taiwan Semiconductor. Apple will be producing from the ARM processor. Who are they going to go to? NVIDIA via Taiwan Semiconductor. So these three stocks you need to buy. I wish I could buy Taiwan Semiconductor, but I can't buy Taiwan Semiconductor here in the UK. So you guys in America and everywhere else buy Taiwan Semiconductor. You and me, we buy NVIDIA and AMD. Please buy and hold. I know loads of people asking me, what are you going to do with NVIDIA? Just buy more, guys. Just buy more. NVIDIA will also be another $2 trillion company in 2030. Be patient, invest in real good quality, sleep on it. I'm not even sweating. If I got more cash, I'll buy more. Okay, that's all I want to share, and hopefully you guys will believe me by 2025 and you turn around and say, Alex, you were right. It's a slow grower, but it was a nice and stable growth. Okay, so this is me for the news about Tesla and Apple. It sounds exciting, but to me, it's we're just looking at the opportunities that we can find. But Tesla is still bullish. Tesla will still be coming with the self-driving vehicle information by the end of the year or beginning of January, which I'm really excited about. So much to see about Tesla for next year in 2021. So keep buying Tesla on dip. I've not bought Tesla yet. I will be buying if they dip lower, so I'll see tomorrow and the day after, see any opportunity. If not, then I'll wait for the next correction day, or just dollar cost average as I go along the time period of 2021. So this is me. Take care. Hopefully to see you tomorrow for opening bell, close bell, see how it pans out during the day, and have a good day. Take care. Bye.